What's up, my new family people? This is your family head Nanaya Owusu, and I want to welcome you to today's edition of my new money life with you guys. I'm so excited about today's video. Just like always, I'm excited about my videos because hey, they are packed with value, and today's video is no exception. I promise you by the end of this video, look, you will not regret joining this. Look, if you are joining me live here today, I welcome you. If you are going to watch this as a replay, I still say welcome to my video. It's me, myself, and I, your family head, Nana Owusu. Now, today, what are we talking about? Today, we are talking about a simple concept that works magic every time. All right, how you are able to get more money, how you're able to get your customers to buy more from you every time. All right, and that's what we are about to discuss. I mean, everybody likes to make more money. So if there is a concept that will get the customers that come to you to buy more from you, why not? All right. So that is what we are discussing today. Now, I know you've seen this before. You've seen these strategies. Companies use it, but you've not really realized that this is the strategy they are using. And today, I'm going to break everything down to you so you will understand. All right. So that the next time you are crafting your offer, the next time you have a product, you can get the customer, any customer that walks to you, to buy more from you. All right. So this is the simple concept of 3 packages. All right. Let's just say a customer walks into your office, into your shop, wherever. They want to buy from you. You have one product. Okay. They walk into the shop. They look at the product. No matter how much the product is, they are still going to ask themselves the question: can I afford this? Or is this price worth what I am coming to buy? No matter the price, right? You just have one product. They are standing there. They are looking at the product. They want to buy, but they are asking themselves questions. Can I afford this? All right? Now, this is what you want to do. I want you to add another package. You have a package. You add another package to it. So this is the first package, the raw package. Now, nothing fancy. I had to go into my kitchen and dig to find some bowls to explain to you guys. So this is the first package. In fact, that's the big package. Now, the second package, you want to add one that is bigger than the first package. That is if you want to get people to buy from you. All right? I want you to pay attention to this concept very, very closely. This is the first package. All right? So you add another package to it. Obviously, this is bigger than this one. All right? So, this is what's going to happen. This package will be more expensive, all right? And will come with a lot of bonuses and a lot of goodies that will make it more attractive for them to buy as compared to this. The price of this is less, but comes with nothing, okay? So, you now have 2 packages for the customer to choose from. This is what happens. Now, the question of can I afford this changes to which of these do I want to buy? Do I want to buy the one that is more expensive but yet comes with a lot of bonuses, or buy the less expensive one that doesn't come with anything? Okay? They have 2 choices. It even gets more interesting. Alright? When you add a third package that is bigger than both. So now you have 3 packages. Okay? This is the concept of 3 packages. One very big one. So you have big, bigger, and biggest. 3 packages for your customers to choose from. Okay? In your mind, this is what you want to do. You want them to buy the middle one. Alright? So the price is in the middle. The bigger one, the biggest, is more expensive. Even though there are bonuses with that one too. And that is what is the similarity between the middle one and the biggest one. Okay? The smallest one doesn't have any package with it. I mean, bonuses with it, but it's cheap. So they now have 3 choices to choose from. Which one do I buy? Do I buy the big one, the bigger one, or the biggest? All right. Now, because you want them to buy the middle one. So you have loaded it with bonuses. You have loaded it with a lot of things, even though it is more expensive than the smallest one. Yet the biggest one has a lot of bonuses as well, just the same bonuses, just as the second one. All right? But it will deter them because it is more expensive, and most people will not have use for the most expensive stuff you have. Even though always some people will opt for the biggest one, okay, your biggest package. Not everyone, most of the people will not opt for that because they wouldn't have need for that, okay. And you want them to buy the middle one, so you make it very, very juicy with a lot of bonuses. Now, research has shown that when you do this, about 60% of people who will come to your business, who will come to your shop, will opt for the middle one. Okay? Will opt for the middle one because it has more bonuses with it. It comes with a lot of things. When you buy, you get this, you get that, you get that. And forgo the smallest one. That doesn't come with any package or any bonus, even though it is cheap. Notwithstanding, even though people are going to buy this, about 60% of people are going to opt for this, about 20% will also buy this. And no matter what, every day or any day, every time, there are people who will buy your biggest package, okay, because they want your best offer. All right. Some people also believe that the more expensive whatever is, the more durable it is. All right. So about 5% or about 10% or about 20% of people will still opt for the biggest package, but you want them to buy more from you. Okay. So you need to give them 3 different packages and make the middle one very, very attractive for them to buy. So this is the power of 3 packages. All right. Now, let's just say you go to KFC, and I know all of you guys have been to KFC before. All these people are using these strategies. You go to KFC, you go and buy, you tell them, okay, so I want fries and chicken. That is the smallest package you are going in for. But then they offer you something more. Okay, so we can give you the fries and the chicken and add Coke to it. All right? Maybe you go there with your girlfriend or your boyfriend. So the Coke they are adding to it is the package. That is what they really want you to buy. But then they also have another package, a biggest one, the biggest package that comes with the jumbo size Coke, all right, for families, okay, or the bucket size chicken, the big chicken, right? Most of the time. Now, if you are going to buy it and consume with your family, that's fine. That is when you opt for this. But if you are going there with someone, only 2 people, you are going there to have a conversation and chat. You want to drink something after you eat. So you go for the middle one. That comes with the Coke. All right? And forgo the raw one, the raw chicken and chips. That comes with nothing. That is the psychology behind, upselling. All right? You can do this in 2 ways. You can either upsell, okay, at the beginning of the transaction. At the beginning of the transaction, just give them the 3 offers. Okay, so these are our 3 offers. This comes with nothing. This comes with a lot of bonuses, but a bit expensive. And this is the most expensive. Also comes with the same bonus as the middle one. Okay, and see your sales transform and see, your sales increase with these things. All right, you can give 2 offers. Okay, but by all means, anytime you want to create an offer, anytime you have a product, please get at least 2 offers. But I would prefer you to have 3 instead of the 2, so that the customers will have variety of options to choose from. Okay, so that they will find the middle one most attractive. Now, the big one, okay, even though there are a lot of goodies, it is less attractive to people because it is more expensive. All right, and mostly people don't go to buy, with that intention in mind to buy a lot of things to take the bigger package. All right, but rather, even though they will have the intention to buy the smallest one will come with nothing, with no bonuses. So they will opt for this one. That is the one in the middle. Okay, this one, the second option, option 2. That is the option in the middle. And this is what is called upsell or OTO. That is one-time offer. One-time offer, just like the name implies. Okay, you are offering it just for the time they are there. When they leave your shop or wherever, you have to include some of these things in order to get them to buy. Okay, so you tell them it is a one-time offer only because they are in your shop that particular day. If they leave, the offer might change. Okay, so these are some of the things that gets the customers thinking. getting them to buy more. Okay, you can do this. It works both offline and online. All right, you can still get people to buy from you with this package. With these different packages, the power of 3 packages. Okay, but it works best. It works awesome online, and that's the case. You don't even have your business online. Okay, it's all about creating your funnel, creating your website. In fact, if you don't know about funnels, if you've not heard about funnels before, I made a video about that. So you want to check my videos. I think the last 2 or 3 videos back, you will know what funnels are. Okay, so the power of 3 packages is so powerful. You can be able to get people to buy more. It is even more interesting when your business is online. How interesting does it get? You can automate your processes such that it will do this for you. It will offer these 3 packages to your customers when they come to buy from you. Meanwhile, you'll be sleeping. Okay? So, they'll give option 1, option 2, and option 3. Automatically. Meanwhile, you are not there. You have set it up as a machine that is running for you all the time. Even when you are sleeping, even when you are on vacation, even when you are sick, whatever it is, that your business will keep running. Okay, so that is upsell for you. All right, now I have a big announcement for you. In my previous video, I said it's that something I've been talking about for a very long time is about to happen. All right, it's about to happen. Look, we need some of these things. We need this. We need to get information. We need step-by-step processes. So, come 27th of June, I am organizing a free training for my New Money family people, whoever has been watching me. If you've been watching my videos for the past year, you've consumed a lot of my videos. This is the chance for me to serve you more. All right, 27th June, I am organizing a free training for you guys. I will meet with you guys because it's going to be free and because we can't meet more than 25 people at a go because of social distancing. I am allowing only 20 people, 20 of you, to be in a room with me. We talk about your business, whatever business you have. We talk about it. So we pick the concept of the 3 packages and dive deep into it. What I just spoke about. Okay? How you can create packages, how you can create offers. And what's interesting is, do you know the title of this free training I'm organizing? How to legally take all customers of your competitors. How to make them start buying from you. How to legally take all your competitors' customers with proven strategies. And this is one of the strategies. The concept of 3 packages. It is one of the strategies that you can use to take all your competitors' customers. Now everybody is crying. So just imagine if you are able to know strategies to build offers, to get people to buy from you, people who are going to your customers, how to target those people to buy from you. That is what we are going to talk about. So come 27th June, I'm organizing this free training for you guys. So make it a point to join. So now I want you to go to newmoneyacademy.com/live. newmoneyacademy.com/live. All right, so that you can reserve your seat today. I want you to reserve your seat. It's going to be strictly first come, first serve. I'm not going to take more than 20 people, only 20 people in a room with me. We talk about strategies that work today. All right, in our economy today, in today's world, strategies you can implement into your business so that when other people are crying about low sales, people, not buying and everything, you just cross your arms and laugh because you know what works today. And this is the opportunity I'm offering you. So I want you to take it now. Go to newmoneyacademy.com/live to register for your slot now. All right. After 20, it's gone. I can't take any more. All right. Also, if you want to find more about me, I want you to go to my website. That's nanayawusu.com. So that you can find a lot of videos. More videos. I have a whole lot of videos there. A whole lot of goodies, for you to enjoy. Alright, so it's been me, myself, and your family here, Nana Yawu. So I hope you learned something today. The power of 3 packages or 3 offers, so that you stop doing only one offer and complaining that people are not buying from you. Okay, you have to give options. There's the power. You have the power to give people options to choose from. Options for them to keep buying more from you. Options to upsell. Okay, just listen to it. Upsell. So that when they come to you, you make more money. All right, more customers. What does it mean? More customers means more money, and more money means your company growth. Right, so just like New Money, we always do. As you and I, we are together to build, our businesses, to find out new ways of doing business. All right, so again, to reserve your seat for my upcoming live event that is going to be free, I want you to go to newmoneyacademy.com/live to register and book your slot, and also check more about me on social media. My Instagram, Facebook, YouTube is at Nana Yawusu. YouTube is Nana Yawusu TV. Right, so go and watch more. Right, if you're not joining me, you are late. I want you to start from the beginning. Today we talk about the only strategy that you can get customers to buy more from you. And who doesn't want more? Everybody wants more. All right, so just check it out. Check my video out. If you're not joining, watch from the beginning. All right, so that's all for today's video. Till I see you again in my next video, I want you to stay focused on your side hustle. Peace out.